Hello everybody, how's it going today? It's a beautiful sunshine today outside. I don't know about you guys, maybe you're in Spain, North America, I don't know. But yeah, if you didn't watch the previous episode of this Minecraft channel, make sure you go watch them out. They're really cool. Not the first one, maybe the second one, because the first one we have to download the whole thing again and it was just like 3 minutes or so. Anyway, let's stop talking and yeah, let's begin. Alright, what the hell happened here? Oh, what the Anyway, yeah, why don't you just hit that subscribe button and leave a like and click that notification bell. Oh yeah, and tell me what you think what we must do in Minecraft. Do what we must do, because I'm not the very best guy in this game, so yeah, why don't you tell me? We're just gonna eat some apple. Right, there we go. Yeah, so now I think we have a chest. Yes, we do. Gonna put that chest down. I'm gonna put it down, I think, maybe here. Yeah, there we go. Because the bed is gonna be on the other side. This side. Okay, then we go in here. What do we do? Alright. An egg, we're gonna put, cocoa beans, maybe there. Asia, I don't know how to pronounce that. Anyway, wood, put it there, wood, put it there. Dirt, no. Rotten flesh, no, I don't like that. Stick, sure. Yes. That stuff, sure. Yeah, some that, some of that. And my map must be always with me. That one there. There, and there. There we go. Yeah. Alright guys, so it's new day, daylight outside in Minecraft. So guys, let let us go and find some. Okay, there's a spider. Why are you bothering me? I didn't do anything to you. Leave me alone. Well, anyway, let's get some cobblestone and coal, and then later we'll get diamond and stuff. Alright, let's just go do that. Grab a pickaxe. No! Wait, what? Give it to me. What the hell? Okay, that's just weird. What the hell? Okay, that was the weirdest thing ever. Okay, let's just... Oh, no, 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 no. There are 3 skeletons. Oh, okay, we're not going that way. We're going the other way. Let's just go this way. Where? Yeah, that way. Anyway, guys, I need to feed my dogs and stuff, so please leave that subscribe button and leave a like. Please, guys, I'm begging you. Oh, and click that notification bell. Well, leave a comment. Okay, we have find cobblestone, 1 block. I don't know what that is, but that's not cobblestone. But let's just get those, yeah, those. Yeah, and I think that's about enough. Let's just use this. Oh no, wait, what is this? Is this? I don't know what this. I thought it's gravel or something like that. Anyway, I need more cobblestone to make a furnace, and then if I have a furnace, we can cook our fish and cook our raw meat and that stuff. Now let me just there we go. One block more. Let's make it a few. There we go. Alright, I think that's about enough. Yeah, let's go back to the house. Hey, chicken. Alright, run. Can you run faster? Whee! Oh no, I'm sinking. There we go. Alright. And let's just get in our house. I think we can make a crafting table now. If I'm right. Another crafting table. What am I saying? Eish. A furnace. There we go. What are those? Can I make it? Oh no, don't tell me I might do. Eish. Well, now we got two. Let's just break that one and put it there. Put that one there, and there we go. Right now we're just gonna put a coal in there. And some raw fish, raw salmon. Come on. Why? Oh. That's why. I don't read. Ta-da! And there we got cooked salmon. That's just great. Alright, now we can eat that. I'm starving. That helps a lot. Let's eat some apple. There we go. Alright, so now... Oh, now we need more. But, no. Now we need more, cobblestone. Why are those bloody stuff there? I could just walk there and get some. How about there? Over there. Yeah, that's a great plan. But is that... Oh, no. Hey, that's cobblestone. Okay, now we're just gonna... Oh, come on. This is taking forever. Look what I'm doing. I'm mining with a bloody pickaxe. Eish. That's just... There we go. Now there is lots of... Guys, I know the basic rules. Yeah, the rule is never, dig down or never dig up. Because sand could fall on you, and yeah, lava is maybe under you. And you can die. Come on. Let's make faster. Just there. There we go. Ow. That's just great. Okay, let's go back to the... Ow. That hurt. Ooh, fishy. Just go up here. make open, close this door, and yeah. So now I think, yeah, going there. We're gonna get some. Oh yeah, we're gonna look at the chase. We're gonna get some 9 of those. Then we can make a a stone sword and a stone pickaxe. I think that's about it. Let's just make an extra 2. This was just in case, because I'm going to mine for you know iron and gold and that stuff in the next episode. Yeah, and the episode is almost done, guys. Thanks for watching, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.